Biotique SEAWEED revitalizing anti-fatigue eye gel. I have a problem of dark circle under my eyes and I thought to use this product. Biotique is a company which uses Swedish biotechnology and Ayurveda. So this is a completely herbal product. This contains punarnava root, paedapal, badam oil, jaifal, madhu, chinnage gas plant, I don't know how to pronounce it, kheera juice, purified water. They have given the percentage. So this is how it looks. This is the outer packaging which I am showing. It comes in a 15 gram product with the price of 199 rupees. So we can see inside how it looks. I will show you the inner packaging. It is a white color small cute tub with a green color lid. Normally Biotique's packaging is always good. I have used few of their products and they are amazing. They have skincare and hair care products as well. They have shampoos, a wide range of shampoos they are having, so you can try that too. I will put review on their other products whichever I have. Now we will see how this product works for me. So as I said, I have a problem of dark circle and I thought to use a herbal based product. So first thing I noticed is that it comes with a natural ingredient list. It doesn't contain harmful chemicals. That is the first thing I noticed. So this exactly looks like aloe vera gel. It's a clean clear gel without any color or any smell. It has a little bit Ayurvedic smell like some plant or herb and nothing else. I normally use this on the night time under my eyes and then I sleep, and next morning I wake up with a fresh under eye area. So coming to my experience about this product, first thing I noticed is that it visibly reduces the under eye wrinkles and fine lines. If you have signs of aging under eyes, you can try this. It also makes the skin firm, but I couldn't see much difference on my dark circle, which is the main issue I have. But whenever I wake up in the morning, I can see my eyes look really fresh and it's not at all puffy and tired. This works a little bit slow, but since it's an Ayurvedic product, you cannot expect any overnight results. You need to use consistently and see. In this price range, it is a very good product. Also, it does not contain harmful chemicals, so it's a plus according to me. Because we use a lot of chemicals on face and hair, but when it comes to under eye area, I don't want to use much chemical based products, so I normally opt for any herbal products for my eyes. So for me, I think it's a good product. It's a worthy product to buy, and I will give my rating as 3.5. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more of these videos. Thank you so much.